Hello, my name is Jonason Duque Granada. I am 31 years old. I am from Anserma Caldas. I live in the city of Bogota. I am a student of industrial engineering. I work as a leader operator in production processes. I live with my wife and my 2 children. My favorite sport is soccer, my favorite television show is the animal documentaries, and my favorite food is the spaghetti. My family is made up of 4 people. My wife, Francis Juliet Cárdenas, she is from Gacheta, Cundinamarca. She is 28 years old. She has brown eyes and is a woman of short stature. My eldest daughter, Karen Duque, is 9 years old. She likes dancing a lot and taking care of nature. She studies in their grad and she is very happy. She likes her long hair very much. My son, David Duque, he is 4 years old. He has black hair and brown eyes. He likes to play soccer and with this car. We are a united family. Thank you.